Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. First, you need a piece of paper. So let me just grab one. Obviously, you need a piece of paper if you're making a paper airplane. So first, you're going to want to fold it in half. Just like that. Easy. Don't have to do much. Just fold it in half, straight down the middle. Now you're going to want to open it back up and bring one corner of the page to the line, then bring the other corner of the page to the line. And this will be the front of your plane. I don't know if I'm going to be making you guys make a glider today or a plane. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make a glider. So yeah, next you're going to want to take, part of the corner and just fold it in like that till it's at the line again. Then you're going to want to flatten it and do that on both sides with each corner. And after that, it should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, it's okay. Just grab another paper if you have one. Or just keep following step by step if you're confident that it's not going to be bad. Sorry. But yeah, now you're going to want to fold it in half again. So it should just look like a long triangle. Neat. Yeah, should just look like a long triangle. Then fold to make the wing. We're making the wings now. You're gonna want to fold the. You're gonna want to fold the paper, or each side of the paper down like this, so that, and try to get it equal. If it's not equal, it might not fly super good. Now bend the wings up so that they're flat. And if you fold the wing just like this, if you just take part of the wing and fold it, it might give you a better, it might fly just a bit better. If you put it like that. And you just do that on both sides. And bam! There, paper airplane. And if you want, at the back, you can just cut part of it and then flip it up. And yeah, I have another one of these. Just let me go get it. So yeah, I have it, and look, I cut out little, I cut it out in like a triangle formation, but I don't fully cut it out so that I can make back parts. And now it flies super good. All right, and then yeah, that's a paper airplane. And it should look like this at the end. Well, now I'll show you it flying. Guys, I'm gonna throw it. You can see, right? Alright. That was fast. tension, you really want to bring your arm back and super fast, just do that and let go. So just like this. So yeah, you gotta hold it and then just right as you're right here, let go. Oh, baby. Just like that. And that's how you make and throw out a paper airplane. I can show you guys a video of it being thrown. But yeah.